Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings app and then scroll down to wallpaper and style. Click to change wallpaper section and you could use here just different photos from your device gallery downloaded from the internet, the default wallpapers or online. So just select one from them and select home screen. If you want to set this wallpaper on to the lock screen, then just tap to next, tap to done on the right upper corner, wait a second and let's just check. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpaper and style, click to change wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers and select home screen, tap to the next, to done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.